Hello, it's been over a month since I posted an update. It's also been over a month since I've had time to work on the Corvette. Been busy, been out to Colorado, went to the Pikes Peak hill climb. That was a good time. I've also been to the track, raced the motorcycle some. And in the meantime, I've been picking up some parts to continue on the build. I posted up on a Facebook page asking what brand of wiring harnesses people were using, and there was a lot of votes for Painless and a lot of votes for the American Auto Wire. If I was doing a full restoration, I would use the American Auto Wire because it has all the original plugs on it. I'm not using a lot of the original equipment, so I went with the Painless because it's cheaper and it still comes with a lot of the GM plugs, which will help me get it all wired up. I also went with the DEI Master Kit to protect all the wiring in the car. One thing I didn't have was a good crimper set, so I bought this off of Amazon. It's an Astro quick change set, and you could do insulated, non-insulated. There's multiple different types, and it seems to be really high quality, so hopefully that'll help. Also in the meantime, this shock was leaking oil, so I took it and dropped it off at Ride Tech. They're 1 million and 1 mile warranty, so they replaced the seals in it for me. And then I also ordered and got the brake retention kit. It comes with the hubs, caliper brackets, bearings, bolts, everything, and I ordered some rotors. So now I can get the front end put together and get the brakes, finish putting the brakes onto the chassis. Also, while I was out in Colorado, I picked up my dad's '54 Ford Ranch wagon and brought it back. This will be a project for later. But just real quick, things we've done on the past. It's got a 70 Camaro front subframe grafted into the frame. That's a 6-liter LS and 4L80 out of an 04 Silverado. It's got lots of rust and needs a lot of repair, so that's a project for another day. So hopefully I'll get some more work done here soon. I've still got some more travel to do for work, but when I get back to it, the goal is get this chassis rolling, get it under the car, and see how much I have to cut to get that transmission to fit. We'll talk to you soon.